What's going on, guys? Let's take a look at the IWM, the Russell 2000. I'm going back here all the way to March. So March, April, May, June, July, and we are at the start of August. You can see here we've got a high of 233.53. We touched this one time, two times, and three times here. Been rejected each time. Each time we do come up here to this level, we get rejected. We come all the way back down here. The IWM really has not been doing much lately within the last 3 to 4 months. We've been trading in a very, very tight range here, kind of just bouncing around, getting a lot tighter and tighter. One thing that I don't like about the IWM is that we still have not reclaimed the 50-day moving average. You can see here, anytime that we reclaim the 50-day moving average, we give that ramp up to where we want to test this 234. We reclaim it, or as soon as we lose it, we come down. And then when we reclaim it, we come back up. So this is very, very key. Today, we were down $1 and change. We came up to the 50-day moving average and were rejected again. So for me, tomorrow, IWM is definitely on my short list. Not to say because I hate the stocks that are in the IWM. Nothing like that. I've traded many of the stocks in the IWM. It's just I do trade patterns. I do trade charts. I do trade the market that the market is giving me. And right now it is giving me a definite sell signal, at least for the short term right now. So if we were to continue to lose this 10-day moving average, where could we slide to? I think that we can come down, possibly test this 217 channel right here, going back to July 28th, as well as this 215 channel. I think that any close below 215, I think that the IWM is probably going to come down here to the 209, 210 area. And I think that right in this area between 209 and 213 is going to be a potential area where you're going to want to pick up some stock and want to bounce this off, unless we show some serious signs in the market all around as a whole. I really wouldn't. I mean, it's kind of hard to say. You don't want to sit here and say that I don't see it going any lower than 209, 208. Obviously, anything is possible. The market could be sent into a large correction and we could lose this whole level here. And then we would have obviously a lot more room to the downside, possibly to 200. But I think for the short term, I think if we do lose these channels in here and we do come back down here and test anywhere between 208 and 213, I think that we will get a nice bounce off that. So there will be an area of opportunity where you can play that back up to the upside. But as of right now, you can see one touch here, one touch here, one touch here. Do we get a fourth touch here? And when we get that fourth touch here at around 213, what happens? Do we get that bounce back up, or is there continued selling to the downside? And if there is any close below 213, then you can expect a slide into the 210, 209 area. I kind of hope that helps you guys out. If you do trade any of the stocks in the Russell 2000, just be a little cautious right now about going long or swinging anything long. If you have potential setups where you're able to scalp, I believe take your profits quickly. Don't want to leave anything on the table, because with the market the way that it is right now in the IWM, it is looking very, very weak and could possibly start to correct or consolidate back down. So, be cautious about holding anything for too long. If you can get in, make your cash flow and get out, I would suggest that. Guys, if you could do me a favor, please, please, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe. Also drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the IWM. I do have a Discord. That link will be down in the description box below, as well as a website where I kind of show you guys how I trade. That is also in the description below. But until next time, guys, I will see you guys all on the next video.